Did you know that a monumental discovery by Polish Jewish anthropologist Sara Benetowa could radically change our understanding of healing, both physical and spiritual? Benetowa found that kaneh-bosm in the Bible actually refers to cannabis, not calamus, as it was mistranslated for centuries. Her research uncovered the true recipe for the most sacred Chrism oil, a key element in cleansing rituals in ancient Israel. This holy oil has a remarkable power. Not only did it heal the body, but it also exposed hidden sins. It's truly magical. The ancient Israelites revered it, and many of Jesus' miracles can be linked to this oil. Jesus used it to heal the sick, but don't forget that even he couldn't cure everyone. Today, Chrism oil can help identify where we still carry sins in our bodies, which may later become the root of illness. Applied to healthy skin, it remains neutral, but on areas burdened with sin, it creates an intense burning sensation, signaling the need for spiritual cleansing. This oil doesn't just heal, it warns of future health issues caused by hidden sins. In ancient Israel, this oil was profoundly sacred, and its healing power was essential to spiritual rituals. Sara Benetowa's discovery, along with my research conducted at Stanford and in private practice, has revived this ancient tradition, offering hope for spiritual and physical purification. It's easy to make at home. I also prepare this oil, and you can buy it from me, but please read my book for your safety before using it. Exodus 30 to 22:33. Recipe for Chrism oil. Olive oil, for milliliters. Cannabis sativa extract, for g. Essential oils. Cassia, 8g. Myrrh, 8 grams. Cinnamon, for g. Want to learn more about this revolutionary blend and its extraordinary healing properties? Check out my book, The Secret of the Chrism Oil, on Amazon.